Hello everyone, welcome to A2 Plus Language School free online course. Today we're going to talk about how to introduce yourself. እንኳዕ ብድሓን ናብ A2 Plus ናይ እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርቲ ቤት ብድሓን መጻኹም ሎሚ ገዛ ርእስኻ ብኸመይ ከም ተላሊ ድብል ኣርእስቲ ክንርኢና ሓቢርኩም ሳይ ክትጸንሑ ይዕድመኩም ዝኾነ ሕቶ ወይ ርእቶ ተለኩም ኣብ መወዳእታ ናይዚ ትምህርቲ ክንዳሕቱን ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ማለት እዩ። So to introduce yourself, you need to know at least 3 things. First one is greeting, second one is telling about yourself, and third one is farewell or saying goodbye. لذي نجزار إسخان من اللاي ثلاثة نجار تفلت على لك قدامتي سلام تخون كله خليتي نجزار إسخان من اللاي كون كله سالسة كأني مسنبات وي شام بعلا لو ما ثلاثة يعني تبيك تقولكم بيكون إنجليز جزار سمت الله اللي تقولي خم مالتي so بجمعتها سلام تخلينا مالتي. So first let's talk about greeting. Greeting is an expression of a goodwill upon meeting someone. So whenever we meet someone, can be friend or person we know or we don't know, we always has to start with a greeting. Greeting مالتو سلامتا مجلتي فتوتك يعني لو حسب ترخبه لها ناي فتوتك مجلتي تبلو خون كله كل شيء تفلتهم لفلتسوب بسلامتا تجمر ناي قديتها هو مالت لازم باركة سلامتا بيرنا لنا بإنجليز مال. So formal greeting and informal greeting are the 2 types of greeting that we're going to see today. So first is formal greeting. Formal greeting is a type of greeting that are used in formal places. Formal places are like office, meeting, court, hospital, government place, and etc. And it is used with the people that you don't know, and to be more polite and respectful. ስለዚህ እዚ formal greeting ዝበሃል ኣብ formal ዝኾነ ቦታ ኣብ ናይ ቤት ጽሕፈት ወይ ናይ ሕክምና ወይ ከምዚ ናይ ዓበይቲ ሰባት ዝርከብሉ ቦታ ዝጥቀመሉ ኮይኑ ምስ ዘይፈልጡም ሰባት እውን ንጥቀመሉ ኢና ከምኡ እውን ብትሕትና ዘለዎ ኣገባብ ሰላም ክብል ተደሊና ንጥቀመሉ ኣገባብ ማለት እዩ. So this formal greeting is very serious. You have to use it in a formal place always. So let's see the formal place. First one is good morning. كمي حاجة. It's used from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. كاب نقول ساعات شدشته كسر فارس نتكملو good morning مالتي. دحريو good afternoon. كمي وعلكي. كفارس كسر ساعات شدشته نايمشت from 12 p.m. up to 6 p.m. And after 6 p.m. we say good evening. كمي أمسيخا وي كمي أمسيخي مالتيو. Good night دبل قال دحن حدرو خون كله سلامتا أنت كملنا مسنوات أنت كملو. كالو أجابونا لنا ladies and gentlemen. عملت عبيت أخيبا زخبركمن زخبركنن إلى نجمر. كمون بإنجليزيا ladies and gentlemen نجمر خلنا مالتيو. سلامتاي. كالون dear respected guest كنا نخلينا. ذخبركم عدماتن أجايشن خونا اللو مالتيو. كالون ما قد لنا. Your Honor, Your Excellency. إذن كأني كبور مالتيو. نعبيت سواد for people like President, Prime Minister, lawyers. We have to greet them with Your Excellency or Your Honor. Okay? كبور Prime Minister, كبور President نبالت كملو مالت. كلمة قدونا لنا. How do you do? How do you do is used for total stranger upon meeting them for first time. Or when you are getting introduced to them for first time, we have to say what? How do you do? سلام كمل لها. زي ندري فلت أسبب المجمع تجزين ترى لخيو تجبر سلام تاي مالتي. لذي formal greeting absolutely صوت أنت كملوا formal places with the people you don't know and to be more polite and respectful. The second type of greeting is informal greeting. Informal greeting is a type of greeting which is used with the people that you know, with family, friends, relatives, all colleagues. And more importantly, in regular place. Regular place means place like day-to-day place, street, home, school, and etc. Okay? But you should know one thing. Even though the people that you know, if you find them in a formal places, in an office, hospital, or court, you should greet them formally. Don't do that informally, okay? For example, if your friend is a judge, you're not going to go to the the court and say hi, something like that, okay? You have to say good morning, good afternoon. You have to be respectful, okay? So, أزي informal greeting لنا مس يعرفنا مس حواتنا مس زم أزماننا ويمس مسارتنا نتكملوا عبد خنا بزي regular بوتات ما أنت بزي ترى عبد خنا بوتات نتكملوا إذا خاني كنرينا بحدا أزي informal greeting دبهال عب ترى بوتات ريحة تكملوا تخيل عب formal دخون بوتا عيد تكملوا نخ ولا تفلت أصابكون عب بوتا سرح خيرك بفورمال greeting ها سلام تلو زلك ناتو مغلطي كبرت لدخونا مالتي. So let's see some of the examples. If someone say hi, hello, you say what? Hi, right? And someone say hi, how are you? You say I'm fine, I'm good, thanks. How are you? Or if someone says hello, how are you? And you say I'm pretty good, you? Or if someone, a friend of yours says, what's up? What's new? And you say, great. What's up, bro? Are you okay? If someone says, and you say, I'm cool. I'm good. You right? Hey, man, how is your day? My day is good. How's yours? Howdy. Howdy. So these are some of the informal greeting. Is the informal greeting usually when you are when I say about informal greeting, we usually use contraction, the shortened form of words. Usually as formal greeting contraction and so on. We can see about this contraction in a separate topic for today. Let's see some example. Instead of saying how are you, we say how are you. Instead of saying how is it going on, how it is going on, we say how is it going on. Instead of saying how is your day, we say how is your day. How is your life? What's new? What's going on? How are you? Okay, so we're going to talk about the contraction in separate topic in detail. The second part of introducing yourself is telling about yourself. So to introduce yourself, there are some basic questions that you need to answer. But these questions are classified into two, general and specific. General means background information, address, hobbies, marital status. Okay, everything is in general that we use it for general expression only. Specific are like educational background, work experience, interest, personal quality, additional skills. Okay, so these are based on specific, based on the situation. For example, if you are going for a job interview, this educational background, work experience, and others should be specific to that job you are looking for. لازم نفسها من الله أكلتنا نخفله بحفشان بوسون جنرال بحفشة زر كلها بزعبخا background خا أبيت كمات أنت تفتو ترفيق زيخا وي تمرع خا على حد رخا خون كان كده بزعب كل بزعبخا بتقالي مالتي بحفشة مالتي أنت specific تمزعب توسون جن بزعبات كتمرتي سرحها أنت تسرح نكا سرح لمدي لما زخلو نتي د أبتي دوسم بوتنا أنت أسرح تونكا أنت تسرح دم الكتي خد زارو لازم أقول تنا المولو كنري من الديتيل كان هراي. So you may be asked like this: who are you? Can you introduce yourself? Can you tell us about yourself? And these are the questions that you may be asked. جمعني تحتات قل حتى خدخلوا مالك. So those are some of the questions. We classify them into general and specific. 1 to 7 are general and 8 to 12 are specific. Let's see this one. What's your name? How old are you? Where were you born and raised and where are you from? Where do you live? What are your hobbies? Are you married? Whom do you live with? These are general topics. To be specific, what and where did you study? Intayin abayin tamaherka. What are you doing now and for how long? حجي تاي سرح لها نخندي دهون جزء سرح لها تسألها. What is your future plan interest? نايمة تاي بلانكا انتايو. انتاي خا تي أجهبها. How many languages do you speak? كندي عندكم قاعد تزارب. Why are you here? نمتاي خابز لها. So تملسي بحدا من السومينا مالتي. My name is Berhanu Taye. سمكا من زول مالتي. I am 29 years old. I am from Eritrea and I was born and raised in Asmara, which is the capital city of Eritrea. I live in Trabolo, Asmara, and I am single and I live alone. My hobbies are listening to music, visiting historical places, and learning new stuffs. So this is general. زي بحفشة منيخة أبي خمسها. I studied medicine at Orota Medical School, and it has been 3 years since I started working at Halibut Hospital as GP. My future plan is to study and specialize in orthopedic and trauma surgery. I can speak 4 languages, namely English, Tigrinya, Amharic, and a little Dutch. Today, I am here to discuss about how to introduce yourself. ስለዚህ እዚህ ኸኣኒ ብስፔሲፊክ أبيت ماهركا تيسرح لخا كندي كونك تزرب تتقبل الله المعالج بالتوات نملسه. But nobody's gonna ask you one by one the question. So once someone asks you, can you introduce yourself? You have to say all what we have answered in 1 or 2 paragraphs. For example, لذي إذا بحد خمر صوت نحنا كل سبب بحد حتى كان حنسب بزعب هارو تنكرنا مستوالكا سخاب حنسب كلن توتنا لك كمان لذي. باركة تحنت حتى جه حتى خرف الصم نتايا can you introduce yourself نفس خاطر اللي لنا مخال كارو تقبل شعور الأمريكا تاني حكيرو yes ده جمر greeting. Good morning sir, good morning madam, my name is Berhanu Taye. I am 29 years old. I am from Eritrea as I was born and raised in Asmara, which is the capital city of Eritrea. I am single and I live in Trabolo in Asmara. My hobbies are listening to music, visiting historical places, and learning new stuff. I studied medicine at Orota School of Medicine, and it has been 3 years since I started working at Halibut Hospital as general practitioner. My future plan is to study and specialize as orthopedic and trauma surgeon. I can speak 4 languages, English, Tigrinya, Amharic, and a little Dutch. Today, I am here to discuss about how to introduce yourself. That's all about me. Nice to meet you. لذي كم زيالكم بحنسب تواتكوا مالتي. If you address yourself as this, nobody's gonna ask you extra question. So you can directly go to your business. You have to practice like this. كم زيكم تلام تقولكم زين كلهم بحث هذا وتخمن كل سبب بحد دحريبه بحدا حتى كوني مالتي. كابز كاتيلكم نبتدي نمسحكم سرعته مالتي. Okay. ندحر زبمولو ندحر ديزار بياجن عدمي خنديو اسم كامنيو أبي خاتنا بدلهم بحدا حتوقع كزيه بزح بخن مالت لازم نيجا بحنسا موتا نعها قال تفكان أبتدي دمتك قدينها أبتدي كمالتي. سلازي pause here and go ahead and tell me about yourself. Practice one more time and tell me about yourself. After this, we're going to talk about farewell or saying goodbye. After spending some time with someone and we have to leave, we have to say farewell. Words that express good wish upon parting. ስለዚህ ቁርም ምስተራኸብና ምሳዕልና ቻው ክንባሃልና ማለት ስለዚህ በእንግሊዝኛ ቻው ንባሃሉ ቃላት እንዳም እንደሆነ ንሪና ማለት ነው. So saying goodbye politely after meeting someone. ድበዝ ኣብዚ ግዜ ኣብ ዘለና ዘመን ቅድም ቻው ጥራይ ሕጂ ብታሕትና ሓደ ሰብ ጽቡቕ ተመኒኻ ክትፋኖ ከለኻ ኣብ ድስዕቡ ድመጽቀናት ንዓኻ ክረኽበካ ይህንጠ ማለት እዩ ናቱ ጽቡቕ ተመኒኻ ልጋ ሰላም መዓልቲ ግበረልካ ብሩህ መዓልቲ ግበረልካ ኢካ ትምፋኖ ማለት ስለዚ እዚ ከምዚ ዓይነት ቃላት ምጥቃም ትሕትና ዝመልኦ እሞ በእንግሊዝኛ ከመይ ኢልና ክንጥቀመሉ ንሪኢና ማለት እዩ It has been lovely to see you I hope to see you again. نعها مركب تعم دس بنيرو كلام عن طريق نرخب نخون تسفى لني الكات خير مال لذي كلام عن طريق نرخب تسفى خم لقولك صبوا تمنيات فانو لها ما ندي. It's great seeing you. Good to see you. It's nice to see you. Have a lovely day. نعم مركب تعم دس دبليو دس بالمعالتي قبل Have a beautiful weekend. تعمي صبوا كرام سنبت قبل Have a lovely day. Have a lovely evening. كم زي كم تحت الناس ملو مفناسب كنا لا مدون كلنا أبزي زلنا يا زمن إزي يوتي تحش سلامتا نتكمل زلنا مالتي. So second one is saying goodbye to our host. Host means someone who invited us for a dinner or lunch to their house. So we have to be very, very nice to them because it's kind of them to invite us to their house. So first one is thank you very much for the dinner, or you can say thank you very much for the lunch. It was lovely. Have a lovely weekend or have a lovely evening, you can say. Thank you very much for having me. It was nice of you. I hope to see you again. Okay. نزي كهاني نعاي أنا دخبركم ني بتعامي مسكن دس بالنيرو سلام عليكم لكم سلام مشاتلكم تخلوا مالتي. So informal ways of saying goodbye. زخان ترى أرسلنا لهم مالتي. Take care. Goodbye. Bye bye. Later man. Later bro. Have a good one. It's time to be gone. So long. يمكن نورمال أرسلنا سلام لهم مالتي. سلام قرص كان جاب ندك شو كاني. Catch you later. Peace. Peace out. I'm out. Smell you later. Something like that. There is no fast and strict rules for saying goodbye to informally. So you can use whatever you want. So it's really nice to meet you, and I believe we're going to have a great time. Next time we're going to talk about how to introduce your family and friends. I hope you like my channel. If you do, please subscribe. See ya.